Welcome, English learners! English with Alex and Mia.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Alex and Mia, the channel where we help you speak English more naturally and confidently, step by step. We're really happy you're here with us today, and we hope you're already smiling because today's topic is simple but very powerful.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mia, and today we're talking about something very small, very human, and very helpful. Something that can improve your English every single day, even when you're busy, even when you're tired, and even when you don't feel confident.
That's right, Mia. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can still practice English every day in small, natural ways. And smiling makes those moments feel lighter, more positive, and more enjoyable.
Many people think you need to move to London or New York to speak English well. But guess what? That's not true at all. You don't need a native speaker next to you, and you don't need hours of difficult grammar every night.
Exactly. What you need are small, smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat. Steps that fit into your daily life. Steps that make you feel more comfortable, more natural, and more confident using English.
So let's start with a simple question, Alex. Do you know about shadowing?
Oh, yes. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. It's simple but very powerful, and millions of English learners use it every single day.
For our viewers who don't know, shadowing is when you listen to someone speaking English and you try to repeat exactly what they say, almost at the same time. You don't stop, you don't translate, and you don't check the dictionary. You just copy the sounds like an echo.
Yes, and you try to match the speed, tone, and rhythm of the speaker. Let's try it together for a moment. I'll say a sentence, and Mia, you repeat after me. Ready?
Ready.
I want to speak English fluently.
I want to speak English fluently.
I listen to English every day.
I listen to English every day.
Shadowing helps me speak better.
Shadowing helps me speak better.
Perfect. That's it. At first, it might feel a little strange. You may not understand every word, and that's okay. Shadowing isn't about perfection. It's about rhythm, reaction, and confidence.
Exactly. Shadowing trains your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you get used to how English sounds, how it flows, and how it feels when you speak out loud.
And if you do this even for 5 minutes a day, you'll start to notice that you speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally over time. Small habit, big results. And yes, sometimes you may laugh at yourself while shadowing, and that's totally fine.
Amazing. Okay, Alex, now that we understand shadowing, what's the next step?
The next step is speaking in your daily life, even if it's just a little. Start with simple sentences about your day. Talk to yourself. Describe what you see or even describe what you're thinking.
Yes, like I'm making coffee, I'm washing the dishes, I'm getting ready for work. Simple sentences, but saying them out loud is what really matters.
Exactly. And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. Every time you correct yourself, your brain becomes stronger in English. Every mistake is a small step forward, not backward.
Another great tip is to repeat phrases from movies, series, or YouTube videos. Pick a short sentence, repeat it, and then try to use it later in your own conversations. It makes learning feel fun and natural.
That's a great way to learn because you also practice pronunciation, tone, and natural rhythm. Sometimes you even feel like you're acting in a movie, but actually you're improving your English and enjoying the process.
And here's a little secret. Recording yourself can help a lot. Record your voice, listen to it, and notice small improvements. At first, it might feel strange, but trust me, it's super helpful.
Yes, Mia, absolutely. When you hear your own voice, you can compare it with native speakers and notice where you can improve. Little adjustments make a huge difference over time. And sometimes you may laugh at how you sounded before, and that's progress too.
Another tip is to label things around your house in English. Sticky notes on your mirror, fridge, or door. Every time you see them, say the word out loud. It becomes part of your environment.
That's right. Small habits like these really add up. And it's not about hours of study, it's about consistent daily practice. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time.
And don't forget reading aloud. Read a paragraph from a book, a news article, or your favorite blog in English. Reading aloud combines speaking, listening, and pronunciation all at the same time.
You see, Mia, the key is to make English part of your daily life without stress. Fun, short, easy activities. That's how real improvement happens. When English feels natural, you enjoy learning more.
And always celebrate small victories. Finished shadowing one sentence? Great. Read one paragraph aloud? Awesome. Every small success builds your confidence and your motivation.
Exactly. Confidence is the most important part. The more confident you are, the more naturally your English will flow.
So, let's summarize. First, shadowing. Second, speaking in daily life. Third, repeating phrases from videos. Fourth, recording yourself. Fifth, labeling things in your house. Sixth, reading aloud. Small steps, big results.
And remember, consistency is everything. It's better to practice a little every day than a lot once in a while. 5 honest minutes of practice are better than 1 stressful hour.
Yes, exactly. And most importantly, enjoy the process. Learning English should feel fun, not stressful. Laugh at mistakes, repeat sentences, and feel proud of your progress. When you smile, your brain relaxes and learning becomes easier.
Sometimes you may feel shy or you may think your accent isn't good enough, but that's part of the journey. Every speaker in the world has an accent. Your goal is communication, connection, and clarity, not perfection.
And remember, you're not alone. Thousands of learners around the world are on the same journey, practicing in their rooms, talking to themselves, shadowing videos, and sometimes laughing when they say something funny or strange.
That's right. So start today. Pick one technique and stick with it for 5 minutes. Speak out loud, smile when you speak, and believe that every small step is moving you forward.
Thank you all for watching. Practice these steps every day and don't forget to speak out loud. Your voice is your most powerful tool in learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Alex and Mia for more tips, techniques, and fun English practice every week. Friendly, upbeat tone, waving.
See you in the next video. Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy speaking English.